US indices traded in a fairly narrow zone throughout the day. We have seen neither the bulls nor the bears taking the charge today. And yes, the markets are waiting, the traders are waiting for the NFP data. The NFP data definitely gonna set the stage on fire, and which direction it's gonna be, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P 500 followed with Nasdaq, India and Dow watch till S&P on the hourly charts. If you look at 20 period, is offering a very strong resistance for S&P on the upside, and see so far for the day we have seen it is struggling to break below 5740. So now if you see S&P trading below 5740, 5735 levels, you can expect that the next move is going to take it all the way towards 572015. And if 572015 is taken, stay short for 5695, 5680, and in fact 5650 levels. See, it is a data driven day, it can be definitely volatile here. While a breakout on the upside, a move beyond 5760, 65 should be a good indication for further rise here. Look at the formation here. See, a greater struggle is seen and then prices are reversing. So hence you have to watch out with caution, specifically on the upside. The resistances are pretty strong. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over, trading with little bullishness, trading with a rise here. The RSI is suggestive of slight bearishness as of now. On the 2-hour charts, if you now on the 2-hour chart, see a flat top is seen, which suggests stronger bearishness, and then it appears that it may hit a double bottom. Hit a double bottom means it can possibly move towards 5720-50 zone. Notice what has happened: rise, then retracement, then the rise, then retracement. I will wait for it to trade below 5740-35 zone, which will be a confirmation of more bearishness ahead. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over for a buy but not showing any bullishness. The RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look on the 3-hour chart, similar formation here, almost a double top and trying to deliver a red candle, one bearish candle. The second one could be further bearish, which suggests that it can in fact move towards 5720 levels. But when you look at the moves here for S&P, you can find out every drop follows with a retracement towards the 20 and 50 period. Now, recently we have seen it moving towards 20 period, and again it can show you a move which can take it all the way towards 20 period. Now it is pretty important for the S&P to trade beyond now 5800 levels. That is the level beyond which you can say now the bulls are taking over, else I will say it is going to show you major swings here. Also notice here what is happening. It is shown a indecision, and then with that a rise is seen, so possibly breaking out beyond 5765. You can expect 5780, 85 and 5800. The stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI running flat, and the observation is more or less same on the 4-hour chart. See, I'll wait for it to either trade below 5740 or to trade beyond 5760, 65. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge, the RSI is running flat. Coming to on the daily charts, what's happening? Notice a flat top, moving averages crossing over here, prices are trading bearish. Last three candles, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. The lows, if you see it, the lows or the bottom here is at around 5680 for this channel. However, one must notice we have already seen series of bearish candle, and a swing here can take the prices all the way towards 5800, 5820 zone. Right now the stance is not so aggressively bullish here, it is right now looking downwards. Stochastic is trading bearish. The MACD is also trading with extreme divergence and bearishness, looking downwards. It is not that it cannot drop further. RSI is at bottom. And also notice on the weekly charts, this is almost after, I can say, 1.5 years that the prices are now trading below the 20 period moving average. It tried to do so once, but it did not close below 20 period. Now this is the first time in 1.5 years that the prices are closing below 20 period, and this also suggests that it is aspiring towards the 50 period, which suggests that it is going to move towards 5600 levels very soon. However, too early to conclude, but yes, the candle is anyways gonna remain red today. It is not gonna turn green in any which ways whatsoever the case is. The stochastic is also looking downwards. The MACD is sharply bearish. So considering this, now I will recommend you to only buy S&P 500 if you now see it is staying above 5765 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 5780, 85 as the first target, 5804 as the second, and 5820, 24 as the third. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 58, 55 and 5900 levels very soon, if not today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 5740, 5735 zone. This is going to be a pretty strong support zone. Below this, you can expect the price to move towards 5720, and if 5720 is taken, stay short for 5700, 5680 levels. Below 5680, no looking back, all the way towards 5650 and 5600 levels very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. And before we move to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the hourly charts, one very important thing here for Nasdaq 100 is the consolidation it is shown, and what has happened after forming a triple top, we have seen lower lows. Now if you follow this, after forming the lower lows, it is retraced, and now the 20 period is offering a very good resistance. Very important now for Tech 100 to trade beyond 20,200 levels. I have mentioned earlier in the day as well, if you see Tech 100 trading above 20,200, 240, expect 20,300, and in fact 20,400s are very much possible, which is going to be the next milestone. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD under retracement, the RSI is trying to suggest more bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, also similar observations here. Notice rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now, once it trades below 20,07060, you can expect it to move towards 20,000, 19,920, and in fact 19,800 levels are possible. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. The RSI looking downwards, signs of bearishness here. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is same. Notice one bearish candle retracement, and now it is trying to break out. So once it trades below 20,070, you can take a sell, expect it to move all the way towards 20,000, 20,000 levels first, 19,920, 19,900 second, and below that 19,800 can also be seen here. But what I am seeing here is, look at the lows here, look at the highs here. So possibility of a retracement cannot be denied here. Let's watch out the direction it takes. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish here, the RSI is at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Right now trying to reverse here, trying to erase some of the gains. Yes, the indicators are showing a little up move, but the MACD is right now bearish. That is pretty important. Coming to on the daily charts, look at the move here, what it has shown. Straight bearish candles, then the retracement, then a bearish candle retracement, then this bearish candle has appeared. Now it is time for it to either break out. Now breakout means a drop below 19,800. That is going to remain pretty important, because any drop below 19,800 should take the prices all the way towards 19,500, and it appears it is taking the shape here. Notice that the moving averages have crossed over after months of bullishness here. After months of bullishness, this was the last time in July, August, we have seen this crossover, and now it is happening after almost 6 months. And notice the few dips it has shown in the past year, you can find out it has still not much of downside available all the way towards at least 19,000 levels. So now looking at this, what I will recommend, I will recommend you to sell at 20,070, expect it to move towards 20,000, 20,000 levels as the first target, 19,920, 19,900 as the second, and then 19,800 should appear. While on the upside, I will only recommend you to buy if you now see it is staying above 20,170, 20,200 zone. These are the two levels. Beyond this, you can expect 20,240. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 20,300, 20,400 next, and if it breaks beyond 20,400, that is the point of time you can say now the bulls are taking over completely, and we are looking forward to a move which can take it all the way towards 2540, 2600 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones. The US30, after consolidation around 20 period and finding it too tough to break, it is trying to reverse. Now I'll wait for it to trade now below 42,540 levels, and see, I have already shared, this is that 42,400 and 350. This is the zone US30 needs to break. Any move below 42,400 and 350 is a clear sign of more bearishness ahead. As long as it stays above 42,400 and 350, do not treat US30 as bearish. And once it breaks, chances will be high that 42,200 should be there. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is in green trying to convert, the RSI has dropped, signs are still bearish. Look at the 2-hour charts, the prices are getting resistance from the 20 period moving average here. Wait for it to break beyond 20 period, which suggests 42,700, 720 has to be taken in order to confirm further rise. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards, the MACD is in green, rising, RSI trading flat. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at, notice the 3-hour charts, one bearish candle retracement and now trying to break out here. But I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 42,540, 550 zone. That is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is flat here. Signs are not so encouraging for such a sharp decline, but yes, if it trades below 42,400, 350, we are looking forward to a greater drop. So now if you see it is staying above 42,700, 720, that is the point of time you can confirm 42,800 has to be there. Stochastic rising, MACD trading with moderate bullishness here, RSI running flat. Coming to daily chart. Now, once you look at the daily chart, see it is consolidated enough here. Prices are outside Bollinger Bands. Lower highs are seen. A flat base is seen. It is a narrowing triangle. The top here is towards 43,000 levels. Any breakout beyond 43 is a clear sign of reversal. We have seen prices consolidating and it can bounce back, but it's still too early to conclude here. Let's wait for it to deliver a breakout. Though the stochastic MACD RSI are trading slightly oversold and a recovery cannot be denied. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy now at 42,700, 720 zone, expected to move all the way towards 42,800, 42,920 and 43,000 levels. Any move beyond 43,000 is a clear sign of the bulls taking over, and then you can just close your eyes and stay bullish for 43,200, 43,400 levels. Chances for which appears to be less though. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 42,540, 550, expected to move towards 42,480, 42,400, 42,350. Any drop below 42,350, clear sign of the bears taking over, clear sign that we are looking forward to 42,200 and then sooner or later 41,800 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. And do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow, which gonna give you a picture on what to expect from the indices in the coming week. Last week I have mentioned very clearly we are looking forward to a bearish move. We are looking forward to a drop ahead, and that is what the indices had delivered so far. Let's see what next week lies. What is there in the kitty for us for the next coming week. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.